Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resonance Solstice game. Crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So the first method is to restart your PC once. This is an important step, so don't avoid it. Simply click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Now after restarting your system, launch the game and see if it is launching or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on here verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library sections, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. If not, next method is to update your graphics cards. Make sure your graphics cards are updated. For that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now open it. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if any update is available and update your drivers to the latest version. Now after that, try to play the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application and double click on it. If this launch the game, well and good. If not, simply right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to disable it by clicking on it. After that, launch the game. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option, and then check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, you have to search for all those apps which are running in the background and is of no use. Now simply select them. Now after selecting, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app from background, and after that launch the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link already provided in the description, or you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on both these links and download it. After downloading it, install them. Once you install them, restart your PC and then log into the game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. The game, let me search for the game. Here the game is listed. If not, click on allow another app, go to the browse section, go to the game folder, select your game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Now launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the issue. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here it's saying you are up to date, but you can still check it by clicking on check for updates option. This will search for if any update is there, and after updating your Windows, now try to launch the game. Next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, Go to the Windows search, search for Windows security. Now here click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, then here check if real-time protection is off. If not, you have to turn it off. Now after turning it off, again go to the Windows search, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. Then click on OK and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, click on OK and then launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, then click on advanced, then click on change. Here select the game drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. Now check and launch the game to see if it works. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below, and here you have to click on clear cache. Simply click on it and this will clear the cache of the Steam and will restart. So you have to confirm it, and after confirming it, now launch Steam once again and then try to play the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If not, reinstall Resonance Solstice game once again. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Resonance Solstice game once again, and after it reinstall, click on play button and check if you can play it without any kind of issues or errors. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.